Hey guys, so in today's video we are doing an Aldi meal, and I popped into Aldi earlier on this week, and I wanted to share today's meal because I couldn't pop out to go back into Aldi again to get some breakfast stuff and some more dinner stuff that I needed to get for tonight's dinner. So I'm gonna have to improvise with some of the stuff I got because I was waiting for an engineer to come and the engineer didn't come. British Gas are on strike at the moment, so I'm just using stuff that I've got left over in my fridge. So now I do have some chicken wings. These are £1.49. I had two of them, and so I'm going to be making that. So I'm going to start off with seasoning the chicken, and then I'm going to show you guys what we're going to eat the chicken with next. So we're going to be using some salt, some Maggi cubes, Aldi granule garlic, a little bit of oil. This is the Aldi oil, just a little bit, just to make the seasoning stick. I've decided that I'm going to fry the wings. I was originally going to put it in the oven, but I was like, I'm going to hustle it out. I'm going to fry them. I was only going to fry a little bit because I know someone else in the household, I have a very picky family. Someone else likes their wings fried, so I think I'm just going to fry all of them. And anyways, I think fried tastes much better. While the chicken is frying, I've cut a bit of onions that will go on top of the chicken. Now can I focus on what we're going to eat with the chicken? And as I said, I'm improvising because I am low on dinner stuff. I went food shopping on Monday and it's Thursday today. So I was supposed to go today, but unfortunately the engineer didn't come, so time was wasted. What we're going to eat with the chicken, I've got some iceberg, cucumber, and I've got some watermelon. I know, this is improvising. And now I'm taking my watermelon and I want to cut them up into dices just to be more fancy. So guys, this is the final meal. Yeah, this is what improvising looks like. So yeah, and it was cheap as well.